What's going on, everybody? It's Big T with GreenWallSt.com. First of all, thank you so much for showing love on the channel, showing love on the video yesterday. It's good to see that so many people are interested in trading this year. So today we're going to be talking about brokers and what is the right broker for you, because there's a lot of different choices out there, and really it depends on your strategy and sort of your trading experience. So without further ado, let's hop right into it. Okay, so first things first, I will say there's going to be a link or maybe multiple links in the description below that will literally list out all the pros and cons of the different brokers. But I'd like to talk a little bit about my experience, because I've signed up with quite a few different ones, and just have some personal experience with them. So number one, the one that everybody has probably heard of in 2020, it's Robinhood. Is Robinhood a good broker to start trading with? And the answer is, it's marketed and geared towards beginner traders. So, you're going to have the very low or even free commission structure. You're not going to be paying, every time you make a trade. So in that sense, yes, it's good, but you have to understand, just like anything else in life, you get what you pay for. So, the commissions may be free, but on a certain day, if there's a lot of market volatility, we've had people at GreenWallSt where the entire Robinhood platform just shut down and they weren't able to make any trades. Or, they're not going to have like an intraday charting software where you can really go in and get a good look at the charts and be able to see things like level 2 and, all these, more advanced concepts and things that you'll need as you progress through your trading career. So if you're just getting started, yes, like I said, it's fine to get your feet wet, but just know, because it is free, it's not going to have a lot of the things that you'll need later on. But to get started, Robinhood, it's fine. Once you get past that initial, phase and you're ready to kind of level up your trading a little bit, though, you're going to want to move to something a little bit more advanced. So kind of the second tier brokers, in my opinion, it's like a TD Ameritrade, a Schwab, an E-Trade. They're still going to have the same sorts of commission structures. So a lot of these guys went zero commission, zero fees last year, which is great if you're just starting. But they're also going to have additional features. Like I still use Charles Schwab for swing trading, because they have a really good platform called Street Smart Edge, where you can go in, you can set up charts, and you can look at a lot of the more advanced charting things that you'll need in order to trade. Also, yesterday we talked about how much money you need to start trading. TD Ameritrade has that really good paper trading platform that a lot of people like to use. So the mid-tier guys like that, once you have a little bit more experience in trading, you're probably going to want to go with some of those guys, especially if your strategy is not so much like intraday day trading. I think you really need to hone in, and once you decide what type of trader you want to be, whether you want to focus on long-term investing or maybe swing trading where you're holding your positions for days, weeks, or months at a time, you're not going to need the next level of broker, which is some of the more specialized brokers. I'm thinking like an Interactive Brokers. I recently opened an account with Cobra Trading, which is based here in Texas. These guys specialize more in day trading and intraday trading, and some of the more popular strategies for day trading is shorting stocks or betting that they'll go down. But a lot of the stocks that you're going to want to short as a day trader are called hard to borrow. So everybody else is trying to borrow shares to short them. These are the brokers that specialize in being able to find you those shares to short. So they're going to charge more fees, right? The fee structure is going to come back. You're not going to be able to trade for free anymore, but in turn, you're going to have access to more trading opportunities. So again, it's kind of it's a get what you pay for type of deal. And those are the main ones I have experience with. I've never signed up with Robinhood, but like I said, I hear good things about it from people who are just starting, but it's going to have its limitations. I've opened an account with TD Ameritrade to paper trade on before. I've had an account with Schwab for years. I've had an Interactive Brokers account. I've had a Cobra account. And again, it's really just going to depend on what type of trading you're doing, whether it be swing trading, day trading, or longer term investing. And also, once again, there are some links in the description below that will list out a lot of the pros and cons of the different brokers if you want some additional information. Hopefully that cleared some things up. At the end of the day, brokers and brokerage platforms, they're just execution tools. they don't really matter all that much. You know, if you went to work at a hedge fund or something, you're not going to use a retail brokerage platform. You could just go straight to the actual market. But obviously, as a retail trader, you have to open an account with someone. But at the end of the day, they all do the same thing. They all allow you to buy, sell short stocks. Some just a little bit better than others. If trading was the video game, the broker that you choose is like the controller, or maybe like the headset. Like, you'll get by with using the PS4 headset. Majority of people are going to load up a game with, you know, like a Target or Walmart's wireless controller, and then, you know, if you want to go to the pros, you're probably going to need like some Turtle Beaches and a Scuff controller that's wired so you don't lag as much, and like a cool monitor. But at the end of the day, you're all playing Call of Duty, but you're going to be able to give yourself some slight advantages if you do make that little bit further investment. So that's it. I hope everybody has a good Wednesday afternoon. I will catch you all on the next one. Once again, thank you so much for supporting the channel. It's good to see that so many people are interested in trading this year. And yeah, thank you for tuning in. I will catch you guys right back here on the next one. Peace out, everybody.